Hello and welcome to the Half-Ass Homestead. Hi everybody and welcome back to the Half-Ass Homestead. My name is Angie and today we're going to be making up some Dejon mustard. It is the first part of a 2-day process. So what I've already done is prepared all the things that need to be cut up, i.e. the garlic and onions, for this recipe. So I'm going to bring you in a little bit closer and we're going to add our ingredients to the pot. In a stainless steel saucepan, we will combine 2 cups of chopped onions, 2 cups of dry white wine, 1 cup of white wine vinegar at minimum of 5% acidity, 1 teaspoon of salt, 6 cloves of garlic coarsely chopped, 4 black peppercorns, and 1 sprig of rosemary. We will bring this mixture to a boil and simmer uncovered for 15 to 20 minutes. Once the boiling is complete, we will strain off the onions and reserve our vinegar wine mixture. To that mixture, in a glass bowl, a non-reactive bowl, we will add 1 cup of mustard seeds. I chose brown, the recipe calls for yellow, and 1/3 cup ground mustard. We're going to leave this covered, sitting on our counter to ferment for 24 to 48 hours, but no longer than 48. All right, we're back. It's been about a day and a half. Mustard has soaked up a lot of the water. Mustard soaked up a lot of the brine. I used brown mustard seeds rather than yellow. So that's what she's looking like. So what I'm going to do now, the instructions say you can use up to 2 2/3 cup water. We are going to run the mustard in a couple of batches through the food processor, or just one. I guess it all fits. I didn't think it would. Alright, I am working on getting this simmered for 5 minutes. Wanted to talk to you about making do with what you got. So right here I have, it's like an 8-quart, it's like a spaghetti noodle pan. Or like 8-quart saucepan, stock pan. 5 or 8 quarts, I can't remember. It's pretty little, but because this recipe we're gonna get 6 1/4-pint jars. I would like a small water bath canner because it doesn't pay to heat up a big one just for this little bit of stuff. So this is what I'm using. And I have a rag in here. So that's instead of a rack. If you don't have a fancy canner, this setup will do absolutely just fine. If you just have a stock pot and a tea towel or something, that's all you need. I mean, canning, it doesn't have to be anything fancy. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys the texture that I was able to blend this down to. So I used brown mustard so you can actually really see the texture really, really well. We are back and ready to fill our jars with mustard. We're going to fill these to a 1/4-inch headspace. I didn't really figure the funnel would help a whole lot because this stuff's pretty thick. Per standard canning instructions, we are going to check our headspace, wipe our rims with vinegar in a clean towel, center our lid, and place our band on fingertip tight. We are going to place into a water bath canner, bring to a boil, and process for 10 minutes. 5-minute rest before removing them from the boiling water. And this, I present to you, is Dejon mustard. I hope you guys enjoyed and thank you for watching. I will see you guys in the next video.